A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are going to start with chapter 3, session 5. Before that, we have covered till session 4. So, in chapter 5, the topic is printing the document. How to print the document in MS Word. So, to print the document, we are having point 1, that is what is the meaning of print preview. What is the meaning of print preview? Print preview means a view that is displayed before printing the documents. It means how it will be displayed after printout. View of topic after printing, how it will be get printed after a final output. The view will be displayed with the help of print preview option. Basically, if we are using MS Office 10, in that case, this option is available under File and Print option. A user will click on File button. Afterward, in File, it will select the Print option. In Print option, a print preview will be displayed. How much space is given for left side, how much it is for right side, how much it is for top position, and how much is for bottom position. So, a actual view of document will be displayed before printing, how it will be shown after printing. That is known as print preview, and we can see it by File and Print option. If we are using MS Word 2007 or Office 7 when you are using, in that case, we can use the option File. In File, click on Print. In Print option is there, Print Preview. So this is the method to see the print preview of a document, how it will be displayed after printing. Next topic is controlling the printing. How to control the printing when we are taking printout from computer system? Which types of settings are required to printing a document? It means how to control the printer output. To control the print output, we are having so many points when we are giving printing command. In first point, it will ask for number of copies. How many copies we have to prepare? 1 copy, 2 copy, 3 copy, multiple copies. We can give the number of copies. Like we can give 50 copies on one click, no problem. We can give the command for 50 copies in one time. These are known as number of copies that are controlled by the user by giving a specific value. Printing on single or both sided. It's the choice of user. A user can take the printout on one-sided page, or it can take the printout on double-sided page. In that case, what will happen if we are selecting the option of both sides? At first, it will select page number 13579 in odd sequence. When we will get the page or reverse order, it will start printing the even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the concept of both side printout. And in case of single side, sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the concept of printing on single or both sided. Third one is size of document sheet. A paper can be of multiple type, like it can be A3 sheet, it can be A4 sheet, it can be a legal paper, it can be a letter type paper. Which type of paper we are using for printing, that is arranged by the user. Which size of document paper we are using for printing. Fourth point, orientation. Orientation meant to say the output of paper will be displayed in landscape form. One is landscape and second is portrait form. Now question will arise, by default which form is required? By default the printing will be displayed in portrait form. If we want to make the printout in landscape form, in that case we have to adjust the orientation of web page, orientation of page that have two options, landscape and portrait. Any option we can opt for printing. One is in the form of landing form, it means widen form. One is in the lengthy form. Next is margin. Margin means to say adjustment of space from left side, right side, top side or bottom side. How much space we want to give, that is the concept of margins. Margins can be adjusted by the user according to their document required. Like we are printing the document for book publishing. In that case, we will give more space from left side because spiral binding is also required. Sixth one, collection of sheets. Collatation of sheets. Sheets means to print the multiple set of documents. If you want to print 10 sets of same document, you can use the concept of collatation of sheets, in which you can make the multiple set of sequence of document. So in this topic we have covered till now what is print preview. Print preview will provide the all view of documents. Suppose we are having 50 pages, we can use previous and next option to see the next or previous page. It is the view before printing, after printing the document, how it will be displayed. And it can be used by clicking on file option in print. And controlling printing, we have done number of copies, printing on single or double sided, size of document sheet, orientation, margin and collatation of sheets. So next topic is now, we will start afterward. Now next topic is printing options. While we are printing the documents, these options are available for printing. We can print all the pages. Suppose we are having 50 pages in a document and we want to print each page. In that case, we can select the option of print all pages. Second option, print selection. Suppose we are having 1 to 50 page and we have selected 2 to 10 number page. That is the selection. Whatsoever area is selected, it will get printed only that part. It means in a document which area is selected, that will be get printed in a print selection option. Third is print current page. On which page we are recently visible, which page is displayed on screen. And if you want to take the printout of this paper, like 50 pages are there, you are on right now 40 number page and you want to take the print of page number 40, then you can opt for print current page. It will select the page number 40 and get the print for single page. Next is print custom range. If you want to give a specific range, like you want to print the document page number 1 to 5, afterward 8 to 10, afterward 17 to 20. This is the customized range. You can take the printout from in between of session, in between of number of pages. This is the concept of print custom range. So in today's topic we have covered about print preview options, and we have studied about printing settings that are performed by the user, that is known as number of copies, controlling the printing, number of copies, type of paper. We have covered this part. So we will meet in next session with next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.